Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare related work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company VRI. They have emergency response systems, vital monitoring, medication management. They are hiring remote in the United States a patient monitoring representative. This is for their telehealth division. It is going to be a second shift position. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the link to this page that I'm sharing is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are basically looking for somebody to monitor medical alerts and monitor medical readings, calling the patient to assess whether they need further intervention for their personal health care. So they're looking for somebody to at least work Thursday through Saturday. That is a 4-day work week. You have the flexibility to take on additional days. So you can choose whether you want a 5-day or a 4-day work week. You can choose between 5 8-hour shifts or 4 10-hour shifts. So they do offer that 4-day work week, but you are going to have to work on Saturdays. Now they are trying to find someone to 1:30 p.m. to 12 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is like a second shift position. Pay is anywhere from $17 to $20 an hour. But again, they want somebody to monitor those medical alerts. You'll determine response requirements and relative priorities of situations. You'll contact private individuals by telephone and assess each patient's alert. You'll triage and assess the data represented by the alerts to determine the next steps in the call process. You'll verify the patient demographics and other related information related to the patient. You'll answer routine inquiries and relay any information and messages to and from the appropriate health professionals. Now, it doesn't say that they require any kind of college degree, although they do prefer somebody who has a certification and has worked in the medical field before, like an LPN, CNA, or some kind of medical assistant. They want somebody who has 2 to 5 years of professional or healthcare experience. Someone who has call center experience, can be a problem solver, self-motivated, and of course, you have to have great communication skills and be able to use those Microsoft Office systems, including Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave down in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.